Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Well, the Easter Bunny is on his way, so I've put together an elegant Easter tablescape with a Faberge egg theme. So come on, let's hop around the table. For this tablescape, I'm using a mossy green damask tablecloth, and I'm going to use my gold chargers. I found these not too long ago at Goodwill. And for the china, I'm using my Royal Albert Old Country Roses. I have gold damask dinner napkins. And for the salad plates, I have these lovely Faberge egg design plates. The pattern is magnificent, and they're by Murfield. And I ordered these from a replacement company that does replacement china. For the stemware, I'm going to use my hortensia. Each one is a different jewel tone color. And for this tablescape, I'm mixing the jewel tones and the pastels. And I also have this set. They have these lovely gold laurel wreaths, and each one is a different color. I'm not sure of the maker on these. I'm going to be using my gold flatware, and I have my knife rest I'm going to use. Bread and butter plates. And I thought I would use my teacups today, and of course they go on the other side, but I never seem to have room, so I'm just going to set them here on the bread and butter plates for today. But maybe someday I'll be able to put them on the correct side. Here in the center of the table, I've got my bunny. He's got a little wicker pack on his back full of eggs. I think he's so cute. I found him at Goodwill several years ago. And I've also put my epergnes on the table. And here in the top vase, I've got lavender tulips. And I've colored some eggs, and I filled the lower bowls. I just love tulips for spring. At this end of the table, I have out my teapot that goes with the Old Country Roses. And around the table, I have these little golden bunnies with lavender candles. I picked those up at a thrift store. And for this table, I've pulled out my collection of Faberge eggs, faux Faberge eggs, and they open up. This is a pretty one here. It has a little jewel on the top, and it's a soft green. Here's a pink one. I bought these, a long time ago from a mail order company. I don't think they're in business anymore. And I have several. They're made of goose eggs, and they have the little jewels. And this one here has a metal base and a cameo on the front, and the outside is covered with beads. And let me open it up here, I'll show you. The inside is lined with a pretty silk and a little gold trim. And I have a little cabinet that I keep these in upstairs. Here's one of the upright. This is the kind of yellow gold. Each one of the Faberge egg plates has a different design. This is sort of the deep crimson. I have the emerald green. They're a little more jewel tone than what I'm used to for Easter, but I thought they were so pretty I just had to use them. Got my sugar and creamer, the old country roses. Here's another egg. It's a pink velvet. This egg plate has a cobalt egg. I have the coffee pot. Here at the back, I've got my gravy boat and a pink egg. Here's another one of the beaded eggs. It has a lavender cameo on the front. I only have 2 of that type. As you can imagine, made of the goose eggs, they're very fragile. And at this corner of the table, I have my Mosier pink milk glass cake stand. And on top of it, I have my carafe, and I've used them several times. I'm sure I've told you guys, but they're copies of English pub jars. And this one here is for iced tea. And it has the pretty gold trim and the spigot. We don't have any little ones anymore to color Easter eggs for, so I just dye some every year for my own amusement. But we used to have huge egg hunts in the backyard. My courtyard that I have is perfect for egg hunts. And I used to dye dozens and dozens of Easter eggs, but now I just do a few for us and for the table every year to put either on a table or in a basket. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you have a happy Easter. Bye-bye now.